Namaste all. Welcome to yet another video of language function and giving instructions. This is a continued video. Let's see. Giving instructions in the school. Where? Prayer assembly, lunch break, activities, beginning a lesson, physical education. So we'll see under each what all instructions are possibly given. Let's see. In the prayer assembly, standard is attention, take one arm distance, stand in single line, don't peep out of the line, move in a line. So these instructions, these can also be commands, order, particularly in prayer assembly. So how PT master usually commands in the assembly. They don't say politely like stand at ease, no. Attention, no. They give a commanding voice. Stand at ease, attention, take one arm distance, stand in a single line. So all these kind of commands are given in the assembly. So the voice also will be commanding voice. Let's see what are the instructions that are to be given in the lunch break. So here, during the lunch break, we could give these many instructions. Wash your hands, sit straight, open your box, use your spoon, eat slowly, don't spill the food, drink water, and so on. You can go on continuing like fold your napkins, or even here, spread your napkins. All these things you can go on giving instructions during the lunch break. From the time they sit to eat till the time they move away from after eating. So these kind of instructions could be given during the lunch break. Okay, let's see while conducting an activity how instructions could be given. Well, now we are going to see the instructions that are to be given while conducting activities. These are common instructions, but there is a particular words that could be used for a particular activity that we design for the student's sake. For example, I have given here like sit in your groups, don't talk, open your books, discuss in your groups slowly, stop doing the task, present the task. So beginning the activity till the end of the activity, it's a short instruction pattern is given here. You can elaborate for each and every instructions. You could form sentences and give. And it is mandatory that we need to use don't in many of the instructions. Later in the end of the giving instructions, after finishing giving instructions, let me tell you how do's and don'ts sentences or statements are framed. Right. So let's go to beginning of a lesson. Let's see what are the instructions that are to be given in the beginning of the lesson. Here are a few. Listen to me carefully. Open your books on page 54. Run your eyes, run your fingers while I read. Don't look here and there. You can give many more instructions before beginning a lesson because students will not be much interested or they will be distracted. Sometimes it so happens they will not have interest in the lesson. They may be at some other work. They may be putting the books inside their bags. For all this, every now and then we need to give the instructions. So you can add up the instructions here. But the tone must be very stern and firm while giving instructions before beginning a lesson. Now let's see in the physical education period. Fine. Now let's see what happens in the physical education class and how the instructions are given. Here usually PT teacher, PT master will be very stern, very commanding voice will be there. Let's see few instructions. Move in a line, don't push, don't run fast, stand there, run on the spot, play in pairs, go to the class. You can add up as many instructions you wish to do. So these are few instructions which are given in the school. There you can add up many more events that happens and what are the instructions that are to be given. If you just make a list of it, we will have a good collection of instructions for our practice. See you in yet another video of giving instructions. Thank you. Bye-bye.